brain won't shut up, constantly overwhelmed by 1,000 thoughts. What if I told you there are 3 simple hacks to hit the mute button on your mind in just 60 seconds? Stay tuned. Your peace starts now. We've all been there. That endless mental chatter. The to-do lists, the worries playing on repeat. It feels impossible to find a moment of quiet. But true silence isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. Here's how to get there fast. Hack 1. The breath. Anchor. First, the breath. Anchor. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Don't try to clear your mind. Just notice the sensation of the breath. Feel the air enter. Feel it leave. When a thought comes, gently acknowledge it, then return your focus to your breath. This isn't about perfection. It's about practice. Hack 2. The sensory snapshot. Next, the sensory snapshot. Open your awareness to your immediate environment. What 5 things can you see right now? Notice colors, shapes, textures. What 4 things can you hear? Distant sounds, close sounds. 3 things you can feel: the chair beneath you, clothes on your skin. 2 things you can smell. 1 thing you can taste. This grounds you firmly in the present. Hack 3. The observer's mindset. Finally, the observer's mindset. Picture your thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky. You're not the cloud. You're the sky. You just watch them pass without judgment or attachment. They appear and they disappear. This creates distance and peace. Integrate these. Start with a breath anchor, then expand to a sensory snapshot, and maintain the observer's mindset. Even 60 seconds of this can reset your entire day. You don't need hours of meditation to find peace. Just a minute, a few simple techniques, and the willingness to shift your focus. Start small, be consistent, and watch your inner world transform. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more spiritual wisdom, and share this video with someone who needs a moment of calm. What's your go-to trick for a quiet mind? Let me know in the comments below.